Continuation. There's Stephanie. Hi, Stephanie.
I'm usually the filmmaker.
Hi, Sammy.
I'm the filmmaker. Wait, get mom. Get mom. Wait, get mom.
I can't see nobody. Seriously.
Get mom. Why? Because we want you to say something into the camera. Mom, Dad. Dad, get mom.
Hi.
Mom didn't get to say anything. Get mom because she wants to say something into the camera.
There we go.
Mom
there we go.
All right. Girls want to be.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
I don't know if I'm catching her or not.
Just aim it where it is.
You see, Steffi, scooch up a little. Sissy can't see.
Well, I can't scoot up.
You see him, Sammy?
That was just a warning shot. There we go.
Oh, look, Sammy, over there.
Dad, you got it?
Woo, Sammy!
That's cool to hear the echoes.
Yeah, I love that.
If it's too loud, you can put them back up.
Yeah, take it off.
Oh boy.
She doesn't like it. Are they playing a song?
Huh?
Are they playing music too? I like that color. That's that top. Red! Yeah, red. Whoa! Dad, wait.
Yeah.
Take your hands off your ears then. Look, Sissy doesn't have her hands on her ears. Boom. I'm going to get down and see you.
All right, stay up here, Sam. Watch out.
Oh, I like that. How it shimmies up so far.
Oh, I got it.
You should have got that.
Well, I got it at the beginning.
But luckily, Dad's got the video.
You getting it, Scott?
I am.
Over here's some excellent spot right here. If you stand where I'm at,
We want the people to see this.
get right over in this area.
I know.
You can see.
Thank you.
Is that a better view for you?
Eh.
You like it, baby? Yeah. You see that? Yay, boy, it's nice.
There's one of the boom.
I love those. Boom.
You want to stand up?
Yes, two at once.
Stand up. Stand. No, stand on the hood. Stand right here. Honey, pick your foot and stand on the car. Stand. Yeah. Stand on mommy hold you.
You know, Mom, we could have went and got a funnel cake.
A funnel cake where?
Over at the park, they always have something before the fireworks, like food and stuff.
Well, I never knew they had that.
That's what me and Kayla went to once together.
Well, I know, but they didn't advertise it or anything.
Well, they never advertise it, Mom. You just hear about it.
You see, baby? Oh, oh look at that one. Wow. Ooh, you see?
That's usually the loud boomers that get those big ones.
I love this. Boom, boom. I like it at the end. Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah. You can still hear it down the tracks there.
Yeah. Wonder what it looks like on the field.
Ooh.
Oh, that was one of my favorites.
That was awesome. Oh. I like them when they come out one color and change into another.
Yeah. Especially a really cute, pretty color.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all, folks.
Nuh-uh.
Oh, here comes the big one.
Try to Make YouTube think that's it. The new Lex.
Ooh, ooh, look at that. Ooh!
Yes!
Pretty, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And shh, we can't take a retake.
Ooh. What color do you think? Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, purple, green.
Whoa!
It went from purple to green.
You got me.
That was awesome.
Oh, what color? I think blue.
I think pink.
Oh, purple.
Oh, I was close. Purple. Purple is my favorite.
Oh, there's blue.
Green. A green. A green. Oh, close.
Oh,
A shimmer.
oh, I like the shimmer.
Simmy.
It said shimmer.
Shimmy, shimmy, shimmer.
Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy.
Shimmy, shimmy, shimmer.
Come on, I want to see green.
Oh.
Yeah. Red. I turned into purple with red. When's the end?
Ooh. That's a pretty shimmer one, Stephanie. Oh, looks like gold.
I know,
all down.
like little thin pieces of gold and stuff.
We'll have to ask Grandma when we get home if she heard them.
Yeah. Or if she saw any of them.
Ah, she wouldn't be looking out.
And she looks in the back sometimes. Oh, that was a tiny. It was like a.
Get tired.
Here, let me help it. Okay, YouTube, I'm back behind the camera because my dad's getting
All right,
tired.
Gabby, here, take your baby. Oh.
T-Bone. What do you think, T-Bone?
It's perfect.
Well, watch. Keep looking. Not done yet. Oh,
Woo!
what do you think of that? Watch this. Wow. Oh. T-Bone. Who we got here? Oh, there goes. That's two of them.
Maybe I should have zoomed in. Ooh. Maybe I shouldn't have.
Hey, don't step on me.
Man, I wish YouTube could see this better because it's bigger in person than on this camera.
You remember that one year we were in Grove City? How big those were?
Mm-hmm.
Like big mushroom ones and everything.
We should go to Grove City and see you sometime.
I think I got it on video.
Mom,
What?
we need to go to Red, White, and Boom in
Yes.
Columbus.
That one looked like a red and white.
I like the red, white, and blue ones.
Blue.
What you doing, T-Bone?
Red, white, and Boom.
Oh.
Red, white, and blue.
Wow. I love the fireworks.
You do?
Yeah.
No, that's sweet.
Stupid chunk. Dad, when is the end coming?
That was another red, white, and blue one.
I'm scared a little bit.
Probably about 5 minutes or so before I get to the grand finale.
Daddy, you think you can take the camera back? My arms are getting tired too.
Okay, you can see that.
Come here, Sammy.
Wanna go, Sippy?
Sit up